this tiny little thing you see in my hand is a Rode mic. If used properly, it can do wonders. Today I'm going to talk about sound designing. For any type of ad, commercial, video, movie, film, anything that you watch, sound designing is the thing that keep you engaged with that. There are so many websites from which you can download the sounds for your videos. But today I'm going to show you how I do it while I'm doing the recording for my videos. So let's start shooting. Doesn't it look like an alien ship? I got this phone holder from a mobile accessory shop. The next thing that I used is the iPhone 6, which used to have the headphone jack, and this particular model of this Rode mic have the pin for it, which I will plug it like this, and then goes the alien ship, I mean the phone holder, and this is my setup. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more.